Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add numbers above a keyboard in Redmi 12. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then find the system settings, additional settings right here, and there's a language and input. We want to select the Gboard as our keyboard because for others there might be this function might be not available. So we're gonna go for manage keyboard, then Gboard, and inside we should be able to find preferences and the number row. If you deactivate it, and let's close the keyboard, you can see that the numbers disappear, and if we activate it, we have numbers above letters. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.